Hello everyone, continuing with the lecture series of CAD/CAM. Today we will be discussing IGES and STEP file format. This is the last topic of Unit 1. As in the previous lecture, we have studied about what is graphic standards, what are kernel systems. So today we will be studying the two different file formats that are the universally accepted file formats for CAD design, that is IGES and STEP. So let's start with the topic. So in this particular session we will be studying about what is IGES, that is IGES file format, and what is STEP file format. These are two of the very important graphic standard file formats. So let's begin with IGES. What is IGES? IGES stands for Initial Graphics Exchange Specification. It was established in the year 1979. Its first version, that is 1.0, was released in 1980. According to Wikipedia, this is the exact definition or the exact description given in Wikipedia about IGES, that is Initial Graphic Exchange Specification. It states that the Initial Graphic Exchange Specification, also pronounced as IGES, is a vendor neutral file format. Very important. It is a vendor neutral file format that allows the digital exchange of information among computer aided design system, that is CAD design. What is vendor neutral file format? It means that the file format, that is IGES, is accepted by different recipients. That means it is accepted in almost all the CAD designing. So it is very necessary and important about IGES that if you are unaware about the system of the recipient, you can save the file as IGES. This we will be discussing later also. Again, it is a neutral file format graphic standards designed to transfer 2-dimension and 3D, that is 2D and 3D drawings data between dissimilar CAD systems. It is the best way to send any universal file when you don't know the recipient's CAD system. As I just mentioned, it is the best way to send any universal file when you don't know the recipient's computer aided design system, that which software they are using. The IGES standard defines two file formats accepted in all softwares. These are: first is the fixed length SCI, which stores information in 80 character records, and second is the compressed SCI. IGES is a universally acceptable file for all design softwares. If you want to import drawing file from different extensions like for SolidWorks and ANSYS, then change the extension of file to .IGES. So this .IGES is the extension of Initial Graphic Exchange Specification file format. This file is accepted by all softwares. I am repeating it again and again. So as you can see in this figure, the extension is .IGES and sometimes it is written as .IGS. So if you have made any drawing or any drafting in your particular CAD tool, so while transferring it to other system, it is better to save it into IGES format. But this is applicable basically for surface drawings that we will be studying after studying the STEP extension. Okay, now coming to STEP. It stands for Standards for the Exchange of Product Data. The STEP file is in another file format. Sometimes don't get confused, this STEP file format is also written as STP file format. Several 3D model files are formatted in STEP, an ISO standard exchange format. It contains 3-dimensional data in a format that can be recognized by multiple programs, such as names are mentioned: Dassault Systems, SolidWorks, AMSI, TurboCAD, and Autodesk Fusion 360, etc. STEP files are used to store 3D image data in an SCI format, following the standards defined in ISO 10303-21, that is clear text encoding of the exchange structure. This ISO standard exchange format is used to distribute 3D data files such as CAD files in a format that can be viewed by a variety of software applications. The extension for STEP is .step files, and many times this also, as you can see in this particular figure, the extension as mentioned it is .step, but sometimes it is written as .stp also. So whenever you want to change data or want to transfer data, three-dimensional data that you have drawn in one system to another system, when you don't know the recipient's CAD system, so it is better to save it in .step file format. Difference between IGES and STP, very important. There are certain similarities that they both are neutral file formats, but there are some important differences also. Let's see. IGES and STEP are the widely used neutral CAD formats and accepted in all softwares, as we have just seen. In IGES, the output is in surfaces, while in STEP, file keeps the assembly hierarchy and output is a mixture of solid volumes and surfaces. Only solid in most of the cases. That means it is basically used for solid modeling, whereas IGES is used for surface modeling. STEP is a newer technology, whereas IGES, that is IGES, which is older 1990s technology, though it was started in 1980s, that has not been updated in over 20 years. So STEP is somewhat more reliable and used. STEP files tends to be solid models, as I just mentioned. STEP files tends to be solid models, whereas IGES files are more often surface models, which could have gap and missing faces. So in many cases, STEP file format is more supportive and used. STEP is widely used and is even used in the construction industry. The IFC file format is a version of STEP. Hope you understand. This is the basic, very basic introduction to STEP and IGES file format, that are other graphic standards. So hope you understand. Thank you so much.